Are you a franchise consultant, franchisor, or a franchise developer, and you are sick and tired of being sick and tired of leads coming from portals that are less quality than ever? Listen, if that is you, we have a solution at Broker Lead Factory. We have put together some of the best world-class services so that we can create a pipeline that you own, that you control, so that you control your own destiny. We take the best of LinkedIn, the best practices when it comes to email marketing, professional branding, and we create your own platform so that you can have a banner year in 2022. If you were sitting in 2022 right now and last year wasn't that good, man, we have a solution for you. We want you to sit in 2023 saying 2022 is the best year ever in business. We are offering a free complimentary consultation. Let's look at what worked last year, what didn't, and we will take you behind the curtain to show you what's working real successfully for our clients. Let's talk today.